Number two is extreme isolation. And yes, even if it sounds extreme, in order for you to progress in a particular thing, it requires separation from normal life. And for me at that time, it was going to Egypt. Not because in Egypt you can learn faster, but it was me putting myself in an environment where I don't have no childhood friends around, no family around, no distractions that I'm distracted with around. And it allowed me to go to class and practice Arabic with my companions of learning and with my teacher. But one misconception that I want to add here as a side note, a lot of people think that if they go to an Arab country, they are going to be able to learn the Fusha, classical, Quranic Arabic faster. But that is not the case because people in the streets, they don't speak that language. But rather it helps. Why? Because there are institutes out there where people goes and learn from it. But likewise, those same things that will allow you to learn the language, you can achieve them from wherever you are right now. From London, from New York, from Berlin, in Germany, from Toronto, it doesn't matter. The point is that you have to actually do the actions that will allow you to learn the language, which this is not the video for, but it is very possible for you to achieve from where you are at. Now, every major transformation in my life, whether it was in seeking knowledge, whether it was in business, whether it was in fitness, it was based on extreme stepping away from people, from noise, and from comfort. When it came to fitness, I had to force myself to eat things that I don't necessarily want to eat on a day-to-day basis in order for me to achieve my fitness goals. When it came to seeking knowledge, I had to cut off from some of the things that I might want to do or my nafs wants to do on a day-to-day basis, like wasting time with my childhood friends or going to just spend 3 hours just sitting down talking about nothing with my childhood friends. For other people, it might be other things. It might be watching movies. It might be social media. Some things might be haram. Some things might not be haram. The point is distractions. You have to cut them all out and isolate yourself and be away from noise